during our General Assemblies. Being the national president of the League of Municipalities is an opportunity of a lifetime. It has been a privilege to lead the LMP in our shared mission to strengthen our municipalities and drive sustainable progress. Together, we have accomplished significant milestones, which I believe reflect the steadfast commitment to service that our motto, the will to serve, states. Over the past 2 years, we have successfully held 2 General Assemblies and numerous island conferences. In 2023, we have focused on building stronger municipal leadership and enhancing resilience in the face of challenges. In 2024, the LNP centered on localized public service towards our Bagong Pilipinas brand of government. The 2022-2025 LFP Accomplishment Report.
May we invite the President to come up on stage. And now, LNP National President Mayor Bernos will present the LNP Accomplishment Report to the President. Thank you, Mr. President. And now, may we call on Special Assistant to the President, Antonio Ernesto F. Lagdamera Jr. to introduce our keynote.
President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos.
Thank you, Secretary Antonio Cornel, for the facilities and take a seat. The League of Municipalities of the Philippines National President and as Mayor Joseph Santonino Bernos and his wife, Congresswoman Ching Bernos, officials and members of the League of the Municipalities of the Philippines, my fellow workers in government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to everyone. Today, we are convened here as leaders and public servants who have dedicated our years and, in many cases, our lives